Simple and best. English.
Hi, friends. Nice to see you again. Today, you will practice 40 commonly used Are You questions.
For each question, you will practice one positive answer and one negative answer. Please say each line out loud to improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence.
This will help you master asking and answering Are You questions in English. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. I am okay.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. I don't feel okay.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am. I am busy.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not. I am free now.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am. I am free now.
Are you free now?
No, I'm not. I am busy right now.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am. I am tired.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not. I feel fine.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not. I am not hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am. I am thirsty.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not. I don't need a drink.
Are you cold?
Yes, I am. I am cold.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not. I feel warm enough.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am. I am hot.
Are you hot?
No, I'm not. I feel comfortable.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am. I am sick.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not. I feel well.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I am ready.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not. I'm not ready yet.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am. I am happy.
Are you happy?
No, I'm not. I feel a bit sad.
Are you sad?
Yes, I am. I am sad.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not. I feel okay.
Are you angry?
Yes, I am. I am angry.
Are you angry?
No, I'm not. I am calm.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I am. I am nervous.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. I feel calm.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am. I am excited.
Are you excited?
No, I'm not. I feel normal.
Are you worried?
Yes, I am. I am worried.
Are you worried?
No, I'm not. Everything is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. I am sure.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not. I am not sure yet.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. I am serious.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not. I am just joking.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am. I am comfortable.
Are you comfortable?
No, I'm not. I feel uncomfortable.
Are you safe?
Yes, I am. I am safe.
Are you safe?
No, I'm not. I need help.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am. I am at home.
Are you at home?
No, I'm not. I am outside.
Are you at work?
Yes, I am. I am at work.
Are you at work?
No, I'm not. I am at home.
Are you at school?
Yes, I am. I am at school.
Are you at school?
No, I'm not. I am somewhere else.
Are you near here?
Yes, I am. I am near here.
Are you near here?
No, I'm not. I am far away.
Are you from here?
Yes, I am. I am from here.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not. I am from another place.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I am new here.
Are you new here?
No, I'm not. I have been here before.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am. I am alone.
Are you alone?
No, I'm not. I am with someone.
Are you with your family?
Yes, I am. I am with my family.
Are you with your family?
No, I'm not. I am by myself.
Are you in the right place?
Yes, I am. I am in the right place.
Are you in the right place?
No, I'm not. I think I am lost.
Are you close to the station?
Yes, I am. I am close to the station.
Are you close to the station?
No, I'm not. I am far from the station.
Are you working today?
Yes, I am. I am working today.
Are you working today?
No, I'm not. I have a day off today.
Are you studying today?
Yes, I am. I am studying today.
Are you studying today?
No, I'm not. I am resting today.
Are you going to work?
Yes, I am. I am going to work.
Are you going to work?
No, I'm not. I am going somewhere else.
Are you going home?
Yes, I am. I am going home.
Are you going home?
No, I'm not. I am going to the shop.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am. I am coming with you.
Are you coming with us?
No, I'm not. I can't come today.
Are you leaving now?
Yes, I am. I am leaving now.
Are you leaving now?
No, I'm not. I am staying a bit longer.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am. I am waiting for my sister.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm not. I am just resting here.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I am. I am looking for my brother.
Are you looking for someone?
No, I'm not. I am just looking around.
Are you meeting someone today?
Yes, I am. I am meeting my friends today.
Are you meeting someone today?
No, I'm not. I don't have any plans today.
Are you driving today?
Yes, I am. I am driving to work today.
Are you driving today?
No, I'm not. I am taking the bus.
Well done, everyone. If this lesson was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Your support helps us create more simple English lessons for you. So, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.